Yes, dear students, chemistry 11th चलान आज इक्विलिब्रियम तो आज जो क्वेश्चन reaction coefficient अम ब्रो पर्नो तह मे यव लॉ ऑफ केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम इन डिटेल लॉ ऑफ केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम मज पोर गड लॉ ऑफ मास सेक्शन पत लॉ ऑफ केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम when the molar concentration of the reactant products is considered and when the partial pressures are considered छा ठीक reaction coefficient basically वन may be defined as the ratio of molar concentration या partial pressure of the product species to the reactant species at any stage of the reaction. बेटा ये कह chemical reaction गसान अगर इस करो अत chemical reaction reactant या product molar concentration पत वो molar concentration products बटा reactants या करो consider इवन अगर सो reaction आसिन the gaseous state reactants the products आसिन in gaseous तेल करो इस in consider partial pressures तेल को partial pressure the partial pressures बटा ratio of the this partial pressure of the products बटा partial pressures of the this reactant set ठीक तच वना reaction coefficient तवश वना may be defined as the ratio of molar concentration or partial pressure of the product species to the reactant species at any stage of the reaction दपा अगर if molar concentration is considered then reaction coefficient such connected with QC. If partial pressures are considered beta तेल गो reaction coefficient गो तेल बेटा कत बराबर coefficient is QP गो फर्ज की जो करो अख reaction A plus B gives C plus D यह पता ऑलरेडी कैपिटल A कैपिटल B गई मोलर reactants C तो D गई products small a, small b, small c, small d are the stoichiometric coefficients. इथे पे पको ब्रोकन अगर करो predict the direction of the reaction based on the values of Q and Q. अगर QC go C go till raised power small c into D raised power D A raised power A, B raised power B. You can be I created mention QC अगर इस करो ये QC is equal to A this small a small b C and D. Agar if partial pressures are considered, then go QP is equal to PC, shabash PC raise powers ना ये गई गलती ऐसी करो क्लियर ये go C raise power C D raise power D divided by A raise power A B raise power B. So go PC raise power C PD raise power D PA raise power A PB raise power small b. When करो इस करो predicting the direction बेटा अगर if Q is equal, it may be noted that Q is equal to the reaction is in a state of if Q example objective examples if Q is equal to K the reaction is in equilibrium ठीक वह करो अगर the molar concentration or partial pressure of that molar concentration or partial pressure of reactants is equal to molar concentration या partial pressure of products. Shabash. Second goes, if Q is small q is capital Q is greater than K. If Q is greater than K, then the products are present in large amount. Products are in large amount. Products quantity must benefit this reactants. The reaction will proceed in the backward direction. The reaction will proceed in the backward direction. In the backward direction. It's about go back point. I think if Q is less than K, then reactants are in large amount. Then the reacts are in large amount. In large amount. Product doesn't come. The reaction proceed direction. The reaction proceeds in the forward direction. In the forward direction. Reaction proceeds in the forward direction. शाबाश बेटा तो मकलिया ऐसे लिए reaction coefficient समझ आवा ठीक पड़े go back फिर reaction coefficient it is the ratio of the molar concentration या partial pressure of the products to the reactants. If molar concentration of is considered, then it is denoted as QC. If partial pressure, it is denoted by QP. To determine the direction of the reaction, whether it is forward or backward, it depends upon the Q value of Q and Q. If Q is equal to K, then the reaction is in equilibrium. Then the molar concentration or partial pressure of the reactants is equal to molar concentration or partial pressure of the products. If Q is greater than K, Q is greater than K, then the products are in large amount, reactants are in less amount. So the reaction produces in the backward direction. If Q is greater than K, less than K, then the products are in less amount and reactants are in large amount, then the reaction produces in the forward direction. You go reaction coefficient, you just help to determine direction of the reaction. इथे पे क्या बेटा ऐसी ब्याक लिचत लेयर्स प्रिंसिपल क्या वन तथ लिचत लेयर्स प्रिंसिपल वन अगर रिएक्शन पत् करो तमिक तथ मज चेंज करोस कह कंसंट्रेशन करोस चेंज टेम्परेचर करोस चेंज या प्रेशर करोस चेंज दपान इक्विलिब्रियम चेंज एडजस्ट तिथ पे अमुक इफेक्ट गस न्यूट्रलाइज तथ वन लिचत लेयर्स प्रिंसिपल लिचत लेयर्स प्रिंसिपल if a system in equilibrium system means some reaction gasan is subjected to change in temperature karos change या pressure karos change या concentration karos change हाँ यानी अगर इसका a plus b gives फर्ज कीजिए अगर a plus b gives c plus d अस करो h constraint इनकी दबा reaction गस तिथ पे adjust equilibrium shift towards right हाँ forward direction तिक अति गस नमिक effect neutralize ठीक change then this मारी गस पाने automatic then the system adjusts itself in such a way so as to neutralize the effect. Awesome. That's when I switch to the principle.